we recognize your power, your authority, your jurisdiction. Why did we do that in the first place if we're saying now our courts are working? And that was under Aquino's time.
Right, right. Well, we joined the ICC because we believe that crimes of that magnitude should really be investigated and prosecuted by a much bigger tribunal than the local tribunals. Imagine the 4 crimes that the ICC can investigate: genocide, war crimes, war of aggression or crimes of aggression, and crimes against humanity. So, you know, the magnitude of these offenses is so much that probably a local court will not be able to independently and efficiently handle such crimes. No? So in our case, we are saying that the war on drugs does not even fall under any of those 4 categories. We do not consider the war on drugs as a crime against humanity because it's a legitimate law enforcement operation. It's called war on drugs. It's not a war on drug users or a war on drug pushers. No, it's a war against the crime itself. We're trying to address that situation. In the course of that campaign, however, many people died. But
6,185, I think. That's the PNP numbers.
Yes,
okay,
apparently.
Yes, go ahead. But then it's believed to be more than 10,000, but go on.
Yes, what I'm saying is that operation called war on drugs does not fit the concept of a crime against humanity. Okay, so we're disputing that. And that is very well explained in our own submissions to the ICC pretrial chamber. Well, of course, somehow we mentioned it again in the appeals brief of the Philippine government. But that's our main point. So when this whole investigation about the war on drugs turned to be, from the president's point of view, something like there seems to be some political agenda involved in it, and the ICC seems to be somehow cooperating in that, in one sense. The president thought it proper. Mag-withdraw na lang tayo dyan. Let's just withdraw. Okay, because it's not serving its purpose anymore.
But do you believe the ICC has a political agenda?
It's hard to say. Some people would say na it's rather obvious